Look at her fur.
Want a stick? Go get it. Go get it. Here, Sheba. Right here. Want it? Go get it.
She's like, where the hell did you go? She walked right in.
Chase of the stick. Want this stick, she? Look what Mama got. Mama's got big stick. Ready? Ready? Go get it.
He's like, oh damn.
Oh, he doesn't mess with her, does he?
She's a bitch.
Bring the stick here.
Allie.
She, bring it here. Get down. Annie and Allie. Hey! Hey! I didn't even get it all the way to the water. Attack of the evil stick. And the game is over. She lost the stick. But it's okay. We'll have this session another time. There he is eating grass. Good.